chenro mar nono penj mar grade mar 6 KPSEA dhi nyime kendo igentieke kapok higa orumo. Jatatije duol mar NEC David Njagere olando ni duoko mar KPSEA biro wuok kapok tam manyien ochakore.
Allow me, sir, to inform the parents of persons who had KPSEA candidates that the marking of KCP was prioritized to allow the ministry place the 1.4 million candidates in secondary schools early enough, and NEC is finalizing the processing of the KPSEA results, and the reporting of these KPSEA results will be done at 3 levels. There will be an individual learner report, a school-specific report, and a national report, and we are committing ourselves to make sure that these reports are ready before these learners proceed to junior secondary in January of next year.
Migao mar somo koro yango ni jopuonjre biro yawo sikul tamo kuongo tarik 8 dwe mar achiel higa manyien. Jagoro mongirore migao mar somo Dr. Belio Kipsang oyango ni chenro mag somo biro chakore wang'e e tarikno.
We are working already with our colleagues at the at the National Treasury, so that we can be able to fast track payments of capitation in our first term. We are already working with our colleagues at the National Treasury. The process has already started, so that we can ensure that as we open school in January, that we shall ensure that our schools will run smoothly.
Nyokora Ramogi kanyo ema wakago yuwa mokwongo chenro ni